Duddha Pongal, sweet pongal with milk. Duddha Pongal is prepared as Prasad in Dhanurmasa, that is mid-December to mid-January in amchi Konkani temples. This is very special at the TD temple Kochi. It's made as the afternoon puja prasad in the temple and one could get it with prior booking. So most GSBs make it for Makara Sankranti at their homes too. Of course, the taste of the prasad cannot be replicated but gets close enough. So let's see the recipe, which is courtesy my FB friend Shobha Kumar. I have taken 1 cup of Batha Surevu or red rice. You may also take plain raw rice. I am using broken red rice. We'll soak this for half an hour so that it cooks well. I did my duty to the nation. Hope you all voted too. Now taking 1/3 cup of moong dal. Dry roast it till you get a good aroma. Do not roast it too much. Now to wash this and the rice too. In a pressure pan, add half liter milk and a little less than half liter water. Bring it to a boil. Now add the washed rice and dal. Mix well. Cover with a lid and pressure cook. Reduce flame after the first whistle and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Switch off and let the pressure release slowly. Now you can see that it has cooked perfectly. Transfer this to a thick bottom kadai. Now to add 1 cup of sugar and mix well. Cook on low flame. The sugar will melt. Keep stirring until it becomes quite thick. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and continue cooking, stirring all the while.
सर्वांके के जय चॅनलांतून स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओज चड केल्या नसर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिखसाणीचे मिठसाणीचे गोडसाणीचे रंदेई अडिगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओज तुम्ही एक व्ह्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे मोठे शेअर करका. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Switch off when it has come all together. Now to transfer this to a banana leaf which I have smeared with ghee. Spread out the Pongolu. Flatten with a spatula. Cut to pieces when it has cooled down. You can add nuts as per your desire. And don't forget to add powdered cardamom too for more flavor. As always, do like and subscribe.